really great experience for students to be able to learn about a different culture and then be able to compare and contrast innovation and growth between such very different countries.
We allowed the students to see where there was potential for growth, where there's development, and some of the ways that the geopolitical environment then impacts. So definitely something that tied in the social and governance aspects of the respective environments.
It was amazing that we had access to an embassy. So we went to visit the US Embassy in Namibia, which is in Windhoek, and that was amazing. That access there, I think we met with the number 2 in charge, and that was great for the students. And we had a deep dive into innovation and growth, and it also touched on ESG.
I think ISP did an amazing job with the itinerary. Everything we kind of learned out throughout the semester, we kind of lined up with each company we met with. So I was able to see examples from what we studied and actual businesses that are using it today.
I had not been to Namibia before, so for me that was amazing to go to Namibia and look at the differences between Windhoek, the capital, and Cape Town. Of course, Cape Town's not the capital of South Africa, so just to kind of compare and contrast that culturally was amazing. So grateful for that opportunity.
We saw them really resonate with some of the mission, vision, and values of the respective companies. So each of them had a distinct value, but I do think Shout-it-Out and even the cookie company allowed students to personalize, see the relevance, and then see some of the components that were discussed in the classroom environment restated with a more personalized and distinct sort of vocabulary or vernacular.
By meeting the companies, I was able to kind of ask the questions that I had throughout my whole studies this previous semester. It's one thing to kind of read everything about it in a book, but being here in person physically has been eye-opening to kind of get a better understanding of everything we've learned.
I would highly recommend international study programs to any of my colleagues planning study abroad. We again found the experience to be organized, well-planned, comfortably developed, and otherwise very positive.
Hands down. Everything that I've learned through this trip has matched what I've done throughout the semester, been able to see things I never even imagined.
It's been a great trip, and I didn't have to worry about any of the supporting details along the way, and that's invaluable. I had such a great time connecting with my students and honing in on their educational experience and their educational opportunities that it was great. I would definitely hope to work with you all again.